Discover the extraordinary power of Awaken XT and experience beyond anything you've ever encountered. It's crafted from a closely guarded formula, whispered to unlock the potential of your pineal gland. Picture this, a key to connecting with the universe, unleashing a torrent of prosperity and abundance. Awaken XT is a symphony of rare and elusive ingredients, meticulously blended to perfection. It goes beyond the ordinary, acting as a catalyst to invigorate not just your pineal gland, but also harmonize the orchestra of your entire body. Feel the transformative embrace of Awaken XT, supporting the vibrant health of your pineal gland and every organ within you. Once you embark on this journey, your existence takes an exhilarating turn. Brace yourself for a life touched by the bountiful blessings the universe eagerly bestows upon you. Awaken XT is not just a supplement. It's an emotional awakening, a promise that your life will never be the same. As you bask in the boundless gifts the universe has in store for you, Awaken XT is your intimate companion on this soul-stirring journey. As you welcome its unique blend into your life, prepare to be swept away by the waves of transformation. Imagine feeling the dormant corners of your being awakening, as if a cosmic force has breathed life into every cell of your existence. Your pineal gland, that mystical gateway to higher realms, is nurtured by Awaken XT's embrace. It's not just about unlocking potential. It's about unlocking the very essence of who you are. Feel the resonance of each heartbeat syncing with the rhythm of the universe, creating a symphony that echoes the profound connection between you and the cosmos. The carefully sourced ingredients, each elusive and powerful in its own right, come together to form a potion of vitality. Awaken XT is not merely a supplement. It's a conduit to a life where abundance flows effortlessly, and prosperity becomes your constant companion. Picture a cascade of blessings showering upon you, as if the universe itself is smiling down, recognizing your newfound alignment. Your journey with Awaken XT transcends the physical. It's a spiritual awakening, an emotional crescendo that leaves you forever changed. Embrace this moment, for with Awaken XT, you're not just ingesting a formula, you're absorbing the universe's whisper, a secret shared between you and the cosmos. Let the emotional resonance of this extraordinary journey linger. For in every heartbeat, in every breath, you're rewriting the story of your existence. Awaken XT is your invitation to dance with the cosmos, and as you twirl in its cosmic embrace, watch how your life transforms into a tapestry of joy, abundance, and boundless possibilities.